Panda! Would you like to learn the alphabet with me? Guess what letter I'm writing? You got it right! This is the letter P! You did a great job!
I'm going to make a letter out of bamboo. Guess what it is? What letter is it? You got it right! It's the letter P! Try making it yourself!
This is the seaside. Guess what letter I'm writing in the sand? The answer is P! You did a great job! How is it?
The letter P is really easy, isn't it? Oh! Shall we learn a little more of the letter P? Yes, let's learn more!
Let's write the letter P, just like our panda friend.
How?
1, 2, P.
You did a great job!
Let's write it one more time. 1, 2, P.
Excellent! Let's color the letter.
Let's color the letter P with light green and sky blue crayons. Color it with your favorite color. Sky blue.
I is for igloo, cold and round. F is for fish swimming in a crowd. G is for
Wonderful!
You did a great job!
is for hat reaching to the sky.
Light green,
Now we
What color do you like?
listen, 1, 2, 3. Let's go learn. You and me, the alphabet is fun.
you did an amazing job! Look! So many letters are scattered all over the desk. Can we find all the P?
Find the letter P.
Here it is.
Is fun.
And here. And over here too. Great job! We found them all. We found 3-letter Ps. Shall we write the letter P 3 times?
No time to sleep. We are the ABC.
Letter P.
Ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters
P.
side by side. From A to Z, let's take the ride.
P.
You did a great job! How was the letter P we learned today? It was very easy and fun, wasn't it? Let's meet again next time!